What's up?
I'm good.
Hi guys, hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Daudu and Esther here again. I hope our AC will not disturb, but I hope you guys can hear a little bit. Anyway guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Daudu and Esther here again, and today, baby, bring up the gist. Anyway guys, so we stepped out of the house today to just have fun. We'll be visiting an aquarium today. We're actually there already, so yeah, we're at the aquarium, and we hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. So yeah, let's start. Right, baby?
Let's go.
Yeah, so let's go.
One touch and you got me stoned, higher than I've ever known. You call the shots and I follow. Sunrise but the night's still young. No words but we speak in tongues.
So we're trying to get the ticket now to go in.
Your touch blurred my vision. It's your word and I'm just in it.
Oh my god, just look at that. It's so cute. Wow. They were just moving all together in circles. Just look at them. Little and cute.
Ruined by you. Can't sleep cause I'm way too buzzed. Too late now, you're in my blood. Don't hate the way you keep me up. Your touch blurred my vision. It's your word and I'm just in it. Even so, but I'm not thinking straight. Cause I'm off my face in love with you. I'm out my head, so into you. And I don't know how you do it, but I'm forever ruined by you.
Yeah, so we're here. We've seen lots of fishes. Fish. We don't have plural. We've seen lots of fish and they're so nice. So cool. The long thing is I can't take off my mask to take pictures because everybody's looking at their masks.
I think everyone will understand. We're in a tough time now, so everyone should understand that.
It's compulsory to always have this on. Anyway, we're still going around and seeing everything. We still have more places to explore, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so let's continue.
Peace out.
Under pressure, no more time. Can we make a move? Overthinking, you and I. What do we have to lose?
Oh my god guys, isn't this amazing? Just look at it. So cute. We couldn't stop looking at it. Wow, so nice. Just look at this. This is so beautiful. We found a mirror, guys. We decided to stay in front of it and just make videos and take pictures.
Under pressure, no more time. Can we make a move? Overthinking, you and I. What do we have to lose?
Look at these sharks. So big. Truly, it was so nice seeing all this. This is so big. And again, we can't make use of flash in this place. There was a notice there that was written like you can't make use of flash. So if you want to take pictures or whatever, you just have to take it like that without flash. And the place was really dark. I was even glad the video still came out looking this way. So yeah. Dolphin show, and we're just on the queue and ready to go in like really soon. So we should just like make a little intro before we go in. So yeah,
It's really hot here.
it's so hot, and we haven't really been able to do like videos without face showing because inside was so dark. We're just seeing the fish on, hoping to enjoy the show.
We're just waiting. I don't know. So the show starts at 1, but they're telling us to wait. We'll have to come like 30 minutes before time
Yeah. So
for a show of 25 minutes. So you wait 45 minutes for a show of 25 minutes.
that's
But
fine.
actually,
That's fine.
it's worth the wait here.
Yeah, let's just see how it goes.
Yeah.
So guys, we're here already for the Dolphin show, and we're just waiting for it to begin actually. So yeah, we're inside already. We're supposed to sit in front, but we tried avoiding the front seat because we really want splashes on us after the show. So yeah. Ma, happy. Baby. It's so hot in here, like. And it has a little smell, right? I think it's from the fish.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, sometimes wearing nose mask like an old man again. Yeah. That's why I said you're old if you're wearing it that way.
plastic is wood.
Let me see.
Wood.
And I got curry rice. Oh jeez, it looks so hot. Oh, this is the ice cream we got. And drink. Which drink is yours? Cola is mine. Okay. And yeah, that's my view. Okay. So this is a little souvenir shop. I don't want.
That's a very cute thing.
What's all this?
I don't know. Small animals in aquarium.
Yeah, so we're done with the aquarium and then we're heading back. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.